puntong ito, kasama po natin ang Ambassador ng United States of America, Ambassador Philip Goldberg. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga po. We are celebrating today the Araw ng Kagitingan or Day of Valor. Can you please explain to us the ties between the Filipinos and Americans then and now?
Well, the strong ties between the United States and the Philippines were forged in large part here in this peninsula in Bataan and Corregidor and all of the battles in World War II that we fought together, including liberating the Philippines. So our strong ties were the reflection of our blood and sacrifice together of our soldiers, our guerrillas. And today we still enjoy those very close ties. We have a mutual defense treaty. We still share the same kind of common values and beliefs in democracy and in our shared commitment to the rule of law. So those are very important principles, and the people of the Philippines and the people of the United States are very close, as are our two countries.
With regards to the increased rotational presence, has this already been settled, or is it still under talks?
We're still in talks. We're hopeful that there will be an agreement. And it will represent something that will be in the interests of both countries, and that's to achieve.
And now that we are celebrating Araw ng Kagitingan or Day of Valor, your message to the Filipino people?
Well, my message is that the ties between the United States and the Philippines is very strong, it's very rich, and will continue well into the future. But it was based here in the shared valor of our soldiers and guerrillas during World War II. And we're here today to honor them. So I wish everyone a fine day.
Thank you very much, and mabuhay, Ambassador Philip Goldberg.
Thank you.
Yan po ang Ambassador ng Estados Unidos at nagbigay nga po siya ng mensahe sa ating mga kababayan na naging strong ally nga po ng ating bansa ang mga Amerikano noong panahon ng ikalawang digmaang pangdaigdig, at inaasahan nga po natin na patuloy pa pong lalakas ang ugnayan na iyon sa pagitan ng dalawang bansa.